Hi, I'm Rishik and today I have this old shampoo bottle which I'm going to convert into a plant holder that you can stick on to your fridge or cabinet, iron cabinet. First we have to take off the labels and I'm going to cut the parts so I could change the water whenever needed and with the help of my mom. I'm going to be doing decoupage because that's the easiest with this pattern, and usually decoupage are supposed to look tiered up, but I'm just gonna do strips because it's easy. And for the first step you have to add a layer of Mod Podge, or as my mother likes to say, Mod Podge. Okay, so now I'm going to glue on this first sheet of paper and cover this thing with more Mod Podge so it sticks. Be generous in the edges. Now we do that until the whole thing is covered. Now that you're happy with your placement, put a one more coat of Mod Podge and then put a handsome coat of varnish. This will dry clear, so don't be worried about the white stains. Now it's all dry and we're going to be putting some varnish on and some magnets. Now we're going to stick the magnets, both the magnet side sticks. Circle down. Now we let this dry, and now you can use it for use and put whatever plant you want in it.